everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Dr. Mrinal. In this video, you can practice multiple choice questions based on electrovalent or ionic bond. Complete transfer of one or more electrons between atoms constituting in forming ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, dative bond. When there is transfer of electron from one atom to the other atom, in that case, ionic bond is formed. The chain of electron forms cation, negative ion, positive ion, cathode. When any atom takes electron, in that case, negative ion is formed because electron is having negative charge. Non-metal atom takes electron to form cation, anion, positive ions, none of the above. Non-metal atoms are having tendency to take electrons, and when they take electrons, anions are formed because anions are having negative charge on it. Ions of ionic crystals become free when it is in solid state, compound state, molten state, none. Ions of ionic crystals become free when it is in molten state. To form an ion, non-metal atom loses electrons, loses protons, gains electrons. Non-metal atoms, they form anion. Anion is having negative charge. It means non-metal atom gains electrons. The loss and gain of electron from atom of element forms electrovalent bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, hydrogen bond. Atom loses electrons or gains electrons and form electrovalent bond. Which one of the following compound is most likely to be an ionic compound? Carbon dioxide, CCl4, CS2, Kf. The compound having carbon atom, they will not form ionic compounds. So in that case, only compound is Kf. So Kf is the ionic compound. Metals and nonmetals combine to give electronic configuration of alkalis, metalloids, noble gases, acids. Metals and nonmetals, they combine to give electronic configuration of noble gases. Noble gases are having stable configuration. They have complete octets, and metals and nonmetals having tendency to achieve the configuration of noble gases. Metals lose electrons from their lattice to become positive ions, negative ions, alkalis, nonmetals. Metals having tendency to lose electrons from their lattice, and when they lose electrons, positive ions are formed. Ionic compounds are soluble in a liquid, kerosene, benzene, acetone, water. So ionic compounds, they are soluble in inorganic compound, and among these only water is inorganic compound. So ionic compounds are soluble in water. Loss of electrons takes place by noble gases, metals, nonmetals, halogens. Loss of electrons takes place by metals. Metals are having tendency to lose electrons to acquire inert gas configuration or the stable configuration. Another name of ionic compound is electrovalent bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, metallic bond. The other name of ionic bond is electrovalent bond. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, nature of the bond formed is covalent, dative, ionic, metallic. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed, and magnesium oxide is formed by loss and gain of electrons. So the nature is ionic. Nature of the bond is ionic. Charge on any ion depends upon gain or loss of protons, electrons, neutrons, nucleons. Charge on any ion depends on gain or loss of electrons. Atom can only lose electrons. It cannot lose protons or neutrons or nucleons. Metal atom loses electrons to form anions, cations, negative ions, none of the above. When metal atom loses its electron, it will form positive ion. Positive ion is called cation. Attempts in ionic bond formation is to get rid of excess electrons, to avoid further reaction, to attain configuration of noble gases, all of the above. Ionic bond formed to attain configuration of noble gases. Electrons are usually lost by nonmetals, halogens, metals, inert gases. Electrons are usually lost by metals. Metals are having tendency to lose electrons and achieve the stable configuration of inert gases. NaCl is an example of covalent solid, metallic solid, ionic solid, molecular solid. NaCl is formed by loss and gain of electron. It means ionic bond is formed. So this compound is ionic solid. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, nature of the bond formed is covalent, dative, ionic, metallic. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed, and magnesium oxide is formed by loss and gain of electrons. So the nature of the bond is ionic. Magnesium loses its electrons and oxygen takes those electrons and form magnesium oxide. Calcium chloride is formed by the linkage, electrovalent linkage, covalent linkage, coordinate linkage, van der Waals linkage. Here linkage means bond. So calcium chloride is formed by the linkage. Electrovalent linkage means electrovalent bond is formed in calcium chloride. When the molecule is formed by chemical bonding, then nucleus of combining atoms participate, valence electrons and inner shell electrons participate, valence electrons of combining atoms participate, none of the above. When the molecule is formed by chemical bonding, in that case, valence electrons of combining atoms participate. Other electrons means inner shell electrons cannot take part in the bond formation. Which compound contains no ionic character? Calcium oxide, ammonium chloride, carbon monoxide, potassium oxide. Among these, the compound which is having carbon contains no ionic character. So only carbon monoxide is having carbon atom. So carbon monoxide is not an ionic compound. Metal atoms lose their outer electrons, become positively charged, become negatively charged, both A and B. Metal atoms, they lose out their outer electrons and become positively charged. So answer is both A and B. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you think this video can help your friends as well, go ahead and share the video. Thank you.